Hey guys, we're doing a video here on something called surface area, and we're going to focus on a three-dimensional object called a pyramid. So I sometimes struggle with drawing these, but I tried my best to draw you a picture of a pyramid. Here is my pyramid, and our job is we want to know what's the surface area of this shape. So remember what surface area means. We're talking about the outside of the object. If you could find the area of all the different faces, it's like painting the outside. How much paint would you need? What's the area of all the different faces? So pyramids are different than prisms, which you might have seen in the last videos. Prisms have like a top and a bottom and a left and a right, or a side and a side that you can kind of times by 2 usually. Like there might be matching rectangles on top and bottom, or a matching triangle on top and bottom. Not for a pyramid. A pyramid usually has a base and then a pointy top. So like this one has a square base. It has a square on the bottom, and then it all comes up to this point, and that's kind of a classic pyramid. Think of the ancient pyramids. Think of Egypt if you've studied Egypt in school, the old ancient pyramids. We want to find the surface area of these things. So it takes a little bit of work because we're dealing with triangular faces and bases that we need to find. So we are going to try some of these problems. And because, like I said, my drawing skills tend to struggle with these, I printed one out and thought, okay, let's just use a printed one that we can kind of all work on together. So we're going to take a look at this one. I'm going to encourage you to try to pause the video and sketch it yourself. Give it a shot. Some of you guys are really good at drawing, so try to draw the picture of this pyramid. Okay, so we are going to find the surface area, and we're going to find the area of each individual face. I'm thinking let's start with the base of the object first. So I'm going to take a colored pencil and I'm going to shade the base, which looks like it's in the shape of a rectangle, or in this case a perfect square actually. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch the base over here, so base. So the base is in the shape of a square. Look how it measures. It's 11 by 11. So we have a perfect 11 by 11 square. That'll be our base. Okay, so 11 by 11 gives us an 11 times 11 gives us a 121 area. A square inch area of 121. 11 times 11 is 121. That's the base. Now with a prism, there'd usually be a matching top, but not with our pyramid. Our pyramid is meeting at this point. So now that the base is done, I've got to work on all those triangular faces. Look at this. Here's my triangular face. It's right here. There's one side of it. So over here, I'm going to draw one of my faces. I'm going to write face, and it looks like this. And then I'm going to record the measurements that I can see in the picture. Here's what I see. On the bottom of the triangle, I see an 11-inch long side. So 11 inches right there. And then down the middle, how convenient. They have this dotted line at a 90-degree angle that measures 12.3 inches. So right down the middle, I see a 90-degree angle and it measures 12.3 inches. And that's this thing right here. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole thing there. So now that we have those two dimensions, remember how we find the area of a triangle? We have to do base times height divided by 2, something we already know how to do. And like I said, conveniently, they kind of gave us the numbers. Here's the base, 11 inches. Here's the height, 12.3 inches. So the area of this triangle is going to be 11 times 12.3 and then divided by 2. And I'm going to use my calculator to figure out what that is. Let's see here. 11 times 12.3 is 135.3. So we are going to divide by 2 and we get 67.65. So the area of our triangle is 67.65 inches squared. But that's just one face. So let's look at the rest of the picture. The rest of the picture has more triangular faces. I see more. But if you think about it, they're all going to be the same as that first triangle. They each go 11 inches across. So how many triangular faces go around this pyramid? How many are there? Well, there's one here, then there's one here, And then there's 2 on the back side. That's a grand total of 4 faces. We have 4 of these. 4 of these triangles that go around the square. 1 for each side. So to get my total surface area, I'm going to add all of this up. I'm going to add the base, which was 121. And then we had 67.65 for the triangle, but there's 4 of those. So 4 times 67.65. And then we'll get our answer. So let's see, 4 times 67.5 is 270.6, if you can see that on the screen. And we are going to add the 121 to it. And we're going to get our total answer is 391.6. So 391.6, and we're going to say inches squared, and that is our total surface area of our whole entire pyramid. So just like a prism, I like to draw it out. I like to sketch all the different faces and try to figure out what's the area of each part and then add it up all together. But just notice the difference. Prisms have tops and bottoms. Pyramids really don't. They have the base bottom and then a pointy top. So you just got to really pay attention. So I'm going to probably post another video on this because not all pyramids have a square base. And so we need to look at some other options and some other examples. But I hope this kind of got you started. Thanks, guys. Bye.